Hi, my name is Annie from GOrendezvous, and in this video I will present to you our client portal. This video will help you navigate in the portal and find information you need. For example, your receipts, your upcoming appointments, your to-do list, and more. So, when you first sign into your portal, you can click in here in the corner to edit your profile. So here you can add your profile picture. So you can click on the update button and download your image from your computer. If you need to modify your email, or if you have changed your mobile phone number or your home number, you can edit the information over here and click on save. Please note that if you make some changes to your profile, make sure you advise your professionals. The information in your portal must match the information you give to your professionals. Below, you can see all the active sessions. It shows you all the places where you are connected on your portal. For example, if you are connected on your cell phone, on your laptop, at home, or at your office. You can see the device, the browser, the location, your IP address, the first connection, and the last activity. If you don't recognize the connection or you are connected somewhere you will not return like a public place, you can click on the sign out button over here to disconnect from distance. So the active session is for security purpose. So this is your profile. You can have access to your profile on the main menu on your left over here, but you can also have access to your profile over here on the top corner. Now, let's go to the home page. On this page, you can see a summary of information. On top, you have the list of your favorite providers. You can quickly book your next session from here. Here, you have your to-do list. Sometimes your professionals will send you an intake form or a waiver to sign before your appointment. So basically, it's a reminder for you to complete your intake forms before your appointment. You can click on the button to open the intake forms. And from here, you can fill out the intake forms and send the form completed to your provider. After that, the other information that you have on your homepage is the upcoming appointments. So here, you can see all the upcoming appointments for you and your family. So in the drop-down menu, you can filter all the upcoming appointments for you. Or for example, here for Eva, my daughter. Or you can also see all the appointments for everyone on the same page. I can also quickly see what is the appointment for me with my profile picture, but I can also see all the appointments for my daughter over here. So if ever you need to reschedule your appointments, all you need to do is to click on the little pencil. So if ever you need to cancel your appointment, you can click over here. On this page, you can also find a new provider. If ever you want a new service, you can click on Find New Provider. And when I click over here, it brings you to our search page. The Book Appointment button here is for booking with your existing provider. You can have access to your existing provider and book your next appointment from multiple places. When you click on Book Appointment, it brings you over here on the main menu that says Providers. So here you have your homepage. You have all your appointments sections over here. So in here you have your appointment requests. For example, when you send a request to your provider and you are waiting for their confirmation, you'll have the information over here. In my video here, I don't have any requests, so you have no pending appointment requests. If ever your professional have sent you a proposal, you'll see the information over here, and you can decide if you want to accept or decline the invitation. Again, you can see all the appointment requests for your family, or you can also filter for you or a specific member of your family over here. Next section, you have your appointments. So again, you can also filter. So here you have all the history of your appointments. So you can see all the active one or all the canceled appointment over here. You can also see all the upcoming appointments and all the past appointment. In the past appointment, you can also leave a review if you want to. Below, you have all your classes. So if you have subscribed to a class like a yoga class, you can see it from here. Again, you can confirm your attendance from here, or you can also cancel this class. If you want more details about this class, you can also click on details. From here, you can filter all the classes for you or a member of your family. You can also filter the active class or have the history of your canceled classes. You can see all the upcoming and also the past class. So you can filter multiple information over here. Next, you have the waiting list. If ever you did not find any availability on your provider schedule, you can get to their waiting list. You can see your position on their list. You can also remove yourself from the waiting list if ever you don't need the service anymore. And again, you can see if it's for you or a member of your family, and you can also filter over here. Now let's return on our main menu on the left. When I click on providers, you can see the list of your existing providers like I explained earlier. From here, you can book your next session with the provider of your choice. If you have a long list of providers, you can select your favorite one by clicking the little heart over here. And we will display your favorite providers on the top of the list like this. So like here, when I click the little heart, I have my favorite providers on top instead of the one that it's not my favorite. So the other thing that you can also do over here, if ever you don't need to book an appointment with a specific provider or you want to delete it from the list, then all you need to do is click the little X over here. Once you do that, you'll have to confirm the action that you really want to do. Archive this provider, then you click on continue. Like you can see, it disappears from the list. But don't worry, if you did it by mistake or if ever you want to bring back this provider to the main provider list, all you need to do is click on archive. And then from here, you can see all the provider that you deleted. And if you want to recover it, all you need to do is click on recover over here. And after that, if I uncheck archive, it brings back to the main list over here. The next section on the main menu, we have the billing section. So here you can find all your insurance receipts, your invoice, and your prepaid visit card. For example, you deleted the email that contained your receipt by mistake, then you can come in your portal in here and you can download your insurance receipts like this. And from here, you have all the information that you need. You can download it or you can also print it out if you need it. So let's go back on our portal. Same thing over here. You have all the history of invoices. So from here, you can see all the invoices for everybody or select a specific member of your family. You can also filter the unpaid invoice, or you can also filter all the paid invoice over here. Again, you can open the invoice if you need to see it, or you can also download the invoice like this. So it opens a new window over here. And again, you can download it or you can also print it out. Now let's go back to our portal. Please note that if an invoice is not available in your portal, it means your professional has not sent it to you by email in advance. You can contact them directly. Below, you can see your prepaid visit cards and keep track of the number of visits you have left, like this. If you need help with your portal, you can find our help center on top over here. So you have the help center, you have also the quick tour or our fact questions. But you can also find all over the portal a question mark like this. Over here, you have a question mark. The question mark explains what you can do at the specific place over here. So this is it, our client portal. To sign out, you can click over here. I hope this video helped you. Thank you and have a good day.